How are you? I hope that you all are fine and well. Today in my chemistry lecture I am going to discuss about the salt analysis. Under this salt analysis you have to identify to the cation and anion. So firstly you see the list of the cation. Cation means atom or group of atom carry positive sign. So see here the group number is given here, group reagent is given here, and radical here is given. So 0 group reagent is NaOH and ammonium, and in first group you have to identify to the lead, and in the second group you have to identify the copper and some other radical also given in both group, that is first and the second, but these two are the important. In group third you have to identify to the ferric ion, aluminum ion. In group fourth nickel, manganese, zinc and cobalt. In group fifth barium, calcium and in the strontium. And in the last group, that is sixth group, you have to identify to the magnesium ion. And thereafter you also see the anion. Anion means acid radical. So see here it is also divided into the so many groups. So group 1 having the carbonate, sulfide and nitrite, and group second having the chloride, bromide, iodide. Actually this is the wrong given here. You have to know that this is a belong from here. This is acetate ion, and nitrate ion is belong from the second group, and oxalate ion and phosphate ion, these are the interfering radical, and sulfate ion belong from this group. So you all listen very carefully, and group reagent is also given here. Thereafter you all know that whole experiment divided into three category, that is experiment, observation and the inference. And experiment will be 2, that is a preliminary test and confirmating test. You see here test of the acid radical, that is a carbonate here is given. Thereafter test of the nitrate here is given. Their equation is also given here. Then test of the sulfide ion given here. Thereafter test of the sulfite ion is also given here. And after that you see here the test of the sulfide ion given here. Thereafter the here is given the oxalate anion, and after the oxalate anion this is the acetate ion. This is also acidic radical. Thereafter by the concentrated H2SO4 we have to test to the chloride ion. You here see, and its all test is given here. Thereafter the bromide ion is also given here. Its preliminary and confirming both test given, and then iodide ion, its preliminary and confirming test is given here. Then nitrate ion of the test given here, experiment, observation and inference. And after that see here the next this is a confirming test of the your NO3 ion, means nitrate ion. And now see here special test is for sulfate ion. Thereafter interfering radical the phosphate ion, and after the phosphate ion you see here the basic radical. It is started from the 0 group. In this group there is a ammonium ion, and you have to test its preliminary and confirming, and equation is also given here. And after that group 1, in this group there are the 3 radical belong, that is a Pb ion, Ag ion and mercury ion, but Pb ion is a very important. See here it's all test given here with equation. And thereafter you see here the group second, it has the copper and arsenic subgroup. See here test of the copper is given here. Thereafter equation is also given here. It gives the chocolatey color. After that test of the arsenic ion, See here, it's a preliminary and confirming test given, and its equation is also given. It gives us precipitate in the form of the sulfide ion, and after that, see the after that you have to test to the group third, that is aluminum ion and ferric ion. Both are the very important. In this group actually chromium ion also kept, but these two are the important. See here, it's a test given, that is very important. After that test for the iron is given here. It's a preliminary and confirming test, and then equation is given here. You see here, it give the blood like red color when react with the KCNS, that is a potassium cyanate and thiocyanate actually, and thereafter Mn2 plus ion test given here. Its equation is given here. You listen very carefully, and actually in your Viva most of the question asking from here. Thereafter test of the nickel ion is given here, and after that its equation you see here. NIS has the black PPT. Then test of the cobalt ion is given here, and you read and write the both preliminary and confirming test, and its equation is also given here. After that here is a test of the barium, strontium and calcium ion given. All these give the white PPT. Now see here, then group fifth having the three ions. See here, barium ion, calcium ion and strontium ion. Its test is given one by one. This is a very important test, and by the flame test we can also confirm to these radical because of the barium. See here, the barium gives the apple green test, crimson red given by the SR, and brick red given by the calcium. This is very important. And then you see the group 6, this is the Mg 2 plus ion, and its group reagent is given here. You have to see here, and thereafter its test is given here. At the last there is a ionic equation given here, and this is the very important test. You all have to read and write in your copy, and also learn, because of the in your Bible question will be asked from here, and one question will be asked in your practical exams from these radical. Aim will be given by the external, identify or determine the cation and anion from given inorganic salt. Its weightage will be 8 marks. So I hope that it will be very beneficial for you, and I also going to share to the some Viva's question. So you have to read the Viva's question and their answer, and I am going to finish to this your test. So please you learn carefully. Thank you.